Good afternoon. Hey everyone, this is Joseph with the Disney Daddies. Hey guys, well guess what? We have a brand new episode for you today, but it's not necessarily brand new. It's a continuation of our last video that I posted this past Saturday of the Animal Kingdom. But in this video, which I believe is going to be our shortest video ever, is just a walk through Pandora, or Pandora Land, or Avatar Land, or whatever you want to call it. It's just a short little walk there to let you guys see what it looks like for those of you who have not been there yet. I highly recommend that you definitely make a trip to Animal Kingdom. It is a must. I mean, Pandora alone is worth the trip. Not to mention the food and the animals and everything else that is there, but Pandora is definitely worth the money and worth the time that you are going to spend in that park. Alright, so I hope you enjoy this footage. Definitely check it out. But we had a really good time there, and I hope that I captured the ambiance of that land in this video for all of you guys. So anyways, we are super excited, looking forward going back there. When we went this past time, we didn't get a chance to ride Flight of Passage. But the way I organized things last time is going to be different this time, because this time I'm organizing our days based on which park we're going to go to, based on what fast passes I can get. And I'm going to be able to get our fast passes this Friday, so I'm super excited about that. So the first fast pass I'm going to try to get is Flight of Passage, and whatever day I get it on, that's the day we're going to the Animal Kingdom. So anywho, so I'm going to shut up now, and I'm going to let you guys enjoy this video footage, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Alright, so away we go. Thank you. This is like so cool. I know.
I want to go to the shade.
This is one of her favorite movies?
Yeah, she likes the...
Avatar? We want to come here at nighttime. Yeah, we're remember tonight. When? Tonight. Oh, tonight? Yeah. No, I'm going to try to find out where it is. Zachary, hold on.
¿Cómo se llama para dónde van?
Okay, everyone, try this.
Look, you're glowing. You're glowing, Jay. Look at your shirt glowing. Look at my Nike.
That's me, Zachary. Focus. Focus on the right. All left, left. Over there. Oh, that's awesome. Do you see those there? You see his cats? filming.
honeymoon. I'll stay your name. Masa no kana.
Alright guys, well I hope that you enjoyed that footage. As you could see, it is fabulous and I absolutely love that place. But I'm not too sure if our son Zachary liked it very much because it was extremely hot, and for those of you who do not live in a colder climate probably cannot relate to this, but for Seattleites that go from the Pacific Northwest all the way down to almost the equator, it was freaking hot there. And our poor Zachary, if you see him in clips in the footage, you'll see that he has a spray bottle and he was constantly spraying himself. In fact, there's this one scene where his shirt, his lion shirt that he was wearing, was totally drenched in water because he was so hot there. So that took away from a lot of his fun. So I'm sure if it was cooler, he probably would have had a lot more fun. But he was like always looking for shade. He was always looking for a cool spot. He was drinking a lot of water. I mean, it was a really fun but frustrating experience for him. But one thing that we all enjoyed was the Navi River ride, or Navi River journey, whatever it's called. You guys probably know what it's called. We really enjoyed that. That was our first time riding that, and it was so relaxing. I'm highly recommending a lot of things in this video at this park at Animal Kingdom, but I highly recommend if you're one of those type of people that get stressed out in crowds and are just, you become, stressed out up to here, your little red man inside of you is going off and you're about to have like little anger issues. Well, take a ride on this ride. It is so relaxing. Everything from the environment inside that ride to the music to the temperature, it puts you at ease. I mean, we went on that ride sort of stressed out, not really stressed out, but the heat of the day was getting to us, and we got on that ride, and by the time we got off, it was like getting a really good massage. It was so relaxing. So if you guys get a chance, definitely take the Navi River Journey ride. It's definitely worth it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna stop it here, and I believe this is our last video from the Animal Kingdom. I really didn't film that much from there, but I am going to do it next time. As you all know, James and I are going there, an adults only type trip to the Walt Disney World in about 2 months or so. And so we are super excited, and so we're gonna be doing things that you just can't do when you have kids tagging along. Alright, so I hope you guys join us for that journey. Alright, so If you hear scratching at the door, I apologize for that. That's my cat trying to get into my little office here. So anyways, I apologize for that. But definitely stay tuned for our next video. We are going to be probably heading to, I believe it's Epcot is going to be the next series of videos. So we're going to take you along on our little Epcot journey. Alright guys, so until next time, remember we love you, stay fabulous, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.